Amy Robles. I am the operations manager of Rusty Lopez for Boutique. We are the one running the bazaar here in Freedom Park at Marikina City.
Ayun, ma'am, going back to the question, ma'am, Rusty Lopez, so they're in the economy, workforce, and etc.
We are surprised that Rusty Lopez is always mistaken as an international brand. It's an important brand. And then when they see it here in Marikina, they will surprise, ay, Marikina made pala ang Rusty Lopez. So it's really made in Marikina. We are now located here in Barangay Santo Niño, Marikina City. It is it started before with shoes of Mr. Lolito Lopez, Centropel, and then eventually it becomes a Rusty Lopez shoes. It's actually the Rusty Lopez brand is an apparel. I used to be the designer by Rostico Lopez. They have a boutique in Glorieta. Katabi po sila ni Centopel. And binay out po siya ni Mr. Lolito Lopez. Tapos ginamit niya po yung pangalan na Rusty Lopez sa shoes. Rusty Lopez, it becomes a household name for the shoes in college, not in colleges, in all the level of school, elementary down to college. And now, kita po kami sa mga medical shoes. We are spread all over the country. We are located in all major department stores. And of course, the more branches we have, the more work we give to our fellow Filipinos. Especially if you are in Britain, it is really work-driven. Kasi pag wala pong tao ang sapatos, wala pong mag-a-assess. Kasi pag wala nag-a-assess, wala po tayong pera.
Ma'am, ano po ang ating nakukuha sa ating local government na tulong, lalo na dito sa Philippine Footwear?
You know, we're really very proud of the government of Marikina. They are very supportive in the shoe industry. We are not just talking shoes, no? We also have bags here. They are very supportive. Like, twice po natin ginaganap po itong bazaar. Meron po tayong tinatawag na back to school. Ito ay ginaganap bago po school opening. Sometimes in May. Para makabili po ang ating mga kababayan ng magandang sapatos. Talagang atin. Nagkaroon po tayo ng medyo problem before, no? Nung nag-turn ang ating industry down.
Dahil sa pandemic. Pandemic.
Yes, not only the pandemic, but before the pandemic, there was already a crisis in the shoes industry because of the China made shoes. Hindi natin binabalik yung tiwala ng mga tao sa sariling atin.
So, paano po kayo nagkaroon?
With the pandemic?
Yeah. Even after the pandemic.
You know, dapat meron tayong trust. Tiwala po sa sarili. Kasi before, nung nagkaroon po ng mga Chinese store, Chinese shoes, nalaman po na ang mga tao na really very cheap. Hindi po makakompete po ang ating Marikina shoes for the price of that. At masasabi naman natin ang ating quality. Kaya unti-unti po natin nalaman na ang mas matibay talaga ang gawang dito. Kesa po sa gawa.
May warranty po kayo sa product?
Ang ating sapatos is ay, syempre, lagi natin sinasabi, ay, quality. Talagang kung dumaan yan sa magandang quality control. Tapos, nagkaroon po ng problem ang medyo yung customer na. Alam mo, may batas talaga na nagpo-protect yan. Department, na kapag po may complain yung customer, medyo, example lang ha, medyo nasira siya kaagad, ini-entertain po natin yung pinag-iba. Doon po na po protect, may consumers protection. Pwede palitan.
Ma'am, message nyo lang po and also yung, wag na yun, mahaba na yung sagot eh. Message nyo lang po sa lahat ma'am at anyayahan nyo po na pag-iikit pa rin ang Russell Lopez at hindi lang yun, lahat po ng mga magsusapatos dito sa Marikina.
Yes, ina-enjoyahan po kayo pumunta sa Marikina. Pumunta po tayo dito sa Freedom Park. Katabi po yan ang Marikina City Hall. Madali na pupuntahan. Nandito po ang Russell Lopez at ang ating mga kasama mga manufacturer na nakasama po ang ating mga kapalo. This bazaar will run until January 4.
Thank you.
Okay.